Few days ago, I unboxed the Weezer C3 TWS earphone, which I was uh, not exactly expecting in that time frame. I had forgotten about that, but this is not it. This is supposed to be the AudioFly AF-T2. I believe this is the first. Yeah, I would like to believe that I am the first guy who is unboxing this, because there are many unboxing videos in English, if not anything else. There are some in other languages, but I believe this is the first one in English. So, those who are interested in should be finding mine to be one of the earliest unboxing videos. AF-T2. Now, what I am slightly concerned about is that for a TWS earphone, this is slightly on the heavier side. Don't you guys think that the box is bigger than expected? It could have been smaller. It could have been much more smaller. Yeah, it looks fantastic. I asked for this color, the orange one. I like reddish hues. 6 mm dynamic driver, 16 ohm. I don't know how they decide the impedance of these things. Bluetooth 5.0 Type C. The good thing is that it has 35 hours of playback time. aptX audio technology, Qualcomm noise cancellation technology, USB Type C. I'm not sure if this one has noise cancellation or not, but they are saying that it has some kind of noise cancellation. So let's see. I'm really not sure why the box has to be this big, because there are barely anything inside this TWS earphones. As you guys can see here, there is barely anything. You do not need a case this big. There is no carry case or anything. This is the thing, and this one does not warrant a huge case at all. And I'm slightly confused how to open this. Wow. This is kind of, should I pull it? Okay, okay. So the pull, that's slightly confusing. These are the earphones. Not bad at all. This is the bass vent, the dynamic driver vent. Looks good. The front side has matte finish to have good traction inside the ear, and the back has what we say is a shiny finish. Let's see what else we get. This is priced heavily at around $150, 140, $150. There's a cable, but I do not think I need this. I have a lot of cable around me. There are some tips. As you guys can see, this is kind of wastage of resources. There isn't the requirement. There isn't any requirement. There is only one pair of extra tip. This has, I believe, a M size tip, and there isn't anything else. So yeah, okay, nothing wrong. I'm slightly not sure about the opening thing. This could have been changed. There's some oil on it to help the sliding. There must be some problem with the sliding, I believe. It's not exactly common, to be precise. This is on the slightly stiffer side. Nevertheless, this one has 35 hours of battery, and I'll be comparing it with the Fostax TM2. Let's see how these two things compare. Good looking earphones nevertheless. I like the color, the design and everything, but I'm slightly worried about the mechanism they have used in here. So let's see how it holds up. I'll be checking that for sure. 500 mAh battery inside this case, total of 35 hours. Good, nothing wrong. The earphone has 10 hours of battery. That's nice. So yeah, that's it. AudioFly AF-T2 true wireless earphone. I do not see where the noise cancelling is, but I'll definitely ask the company about this. So expect the comparison in a few days. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.